Shark's new Detect technology intelligently detects dirt levels, floor types, low light areas, and edges. This helps optimize runtime and cleaning by automatically adjusting suction and brush roll speed when it is truly needed. Detect mode is the default power setting. It's indicated by the Detect logo on the hand vac. Dirt Detect technology identifies dirtier, high-traffic areas and automatically boosts suction power to pull in hidden messes. When the vacuum senses heavy debris, the light will turn deep purple and suction will increase for more cleaning power. When debris is being removed, the indicator light will turn light purple. Continue cleaning until the indicator turns white again. When the indicator light is white on both the hand vac and the nozzle, this means no heavy debris is detected and the space is clean. Floor Detect senses when you are vacuuming hard floors or carpets and automatically adjusts the brush roll speed to optimize your clean. Listen and you can hear the brush roll adapt to the different floor types. Edge Detect senses when you are vacuuming edges and corners. It maximizes suction power to remove stubborn dirt from those tough-to-clean areas. When you vacuum an edge or corner, the headlights will illuminate on that side, indicating that the vacuum is targeting debris in those areas. Light Detect senses low light situations and automatically illuminates dark areas to spotlight hidden dirt and debris. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.